You know, around the country, every big major city has got a little Italy. So here's the story. This chef has got a restaurant in New York City. The governor of New York says, hey, you know what? I think you should pack it up, head on down to Wilmington, Delaware, and establish the Little Italy down there. I guess the governor kind of made an offer he couldn't refuse. This is Luigi Vitrone's Pastabilities.
Gnocchi, marinara sauce.
Luigi is an amazing chef.
Everything's always incredibly fresh.
Raviolis coming out.
He outdoes himself every time.
When people come here, what type of Italian food are they getting?
Regional Italian
Okay.
cuisine. Ingredients from the old country. The authenticity is key to us.
And you know it's legit when the recipes go way back into Luigi Vitrone's family cookbook, and it becomes staples here for the last 30 years.
Arancini, appetizer.
Arancini is a fried ball of cheesy rice. They serve it with the marinara sauce on the side.
It's famous for the huge chunks of garlic. Absolutely my favorite thing.
What are we gonna make first?
The arancini, risotto.
I'm a big Arancini fan.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna use some olive oil. We're gonna make a sofrito. A little bit of fresh chopped garlic, mirepoix, onions, carrots, and celery.
And fennel frond?
Right. Salt and pepper. Arborio rice. I like to get each kernel quartered in the oil.
Let's just forget the Arancini. I'll have the risotto.
Italian parsley, basil, and fresh rosemary.
Chopping that fresh every morning.
Sometimes twice a day. A little bit of milk, chicken stock we make from scratch. We use chicken bones, mirepoix, bay leaves, rosemary, thyme, parsley stem. Once it comes to a boil, let it simmer for about an hour and a half, and then we strain it.
And it's stock and stir and stock and stir.
Finish it with some cold butter, Parmesan Reggiano, and that's it.
Next up,
The marinara sauce, California tomatoes,
in honor probably of me being here.
salt and pepper, dry oregano, fresh basil, mixture, virgin olive oil from the old
I would
country,
expect nothing less.
garlic,
Nice big pieces.
Italian flat parsley, right into the tomatoes.
You're an animal. Let this cook down, and the next thing we'll do is make the Arancini.
Right. Okay, so we make a little ball. We take some of the Italian gorgonzola.
Another ball. We're having a ball. A little flour.
Oh, yeah.
That's an Arancini, buddy.
Beaten egg and into our breadcrumb. We get them nice and golden brown, so they look just like an orange. Arancini, Italian, orange. Some of the marinara sauce that we just made, and c'è pronto.
Nice and creamy. Wow. You made a point to talk about that gorgonzola being the traditional, the imported. That is gorgonzola, baby. Rice is still al dente. You got a great ratio of creamy interior to great crunch on the outside. That's a really well-balanced arancini. Now we hit in a little bit of the marinara. Delicious. Good amount of garlic, a lot of tomato, and that extra virgin olive oil that you have in there really carries that through. Delicious.